Hey guys, have you heard of pork Lusaniya, pork KIKALAYI? We call it very many names here. It is one of the best pork recipes here in Uganda. Yes guys, welcome to my channel. Please follow on and enjoy my recipe. In a bowl, here I have 500 grams of pork cubes. Okay, marinate it with paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt and pepper, and mix it in there properly. Make sure our ingredients and our spices, make sure they're mixed together. Yeah, now let it sit aside for 30 minutes. Yes guys, I have green bananas here, Matoke. I'm going to peel them and soak them in water. And yes, now add in oil in your pan. Please make sure the oil is enough to deep fry your pork. Yes, now I'm going to deep fry my pork on a medium high heat. Please make sure you don't overcrowd your pork because you want it to get shreddy properly. Yes. Okay guys, now my pork is looking nice. As you can see, it's a brown, golden brown. Now this is how I didn't want to overcook it so that it doesn't become too dry. I get it at this point when it's not too overcooked, so that it's not too dry when I'm eating it. Yes, so I'm going to get it off the fire. Okay, now guys, it has browned properly. Take it off the fire. You can use a sieve or strainer. Yes, looking nice. It's really nice, yummy. Okay guys, I was really tempted to eat it at this point. Yeah, it looked so nice and so tasty. Yes, so this is my peeled matoke. Yes guys, so in the same pan, please add in your peeled matoke there. Deep fry it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's going to be ready, I promise. Yes, now to tell that it's ready, it will turn a bit golden. Yes, as you can see right there, it's looking nice. In a different pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use the same oil as you used for deep frying. Yes, add in your your onions. I used 2 chopped onions here, medium size. Yes, now I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic because I want the flavor to be, garlic brings out that very nice flavor and aroma. So I used this medium-sized cabbage here. Add it, cut it properly and add it in there. Now you're going to cook this on medium heat so that our cabbage doesn't burn. I used 1 carrot here and 2 tomatoes. Now we mix that properly. We get the ingredients in there properly. Now you can cover this for the tomatoes and the cabbage to really get ready. I used a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of sugar there. At this point you can add in your spices. I used mixed spices here. Yes, I used mixed spices. Looking nice. These spices actually have very good flavor. Now add in your pork. Remember we dried our pork. Add it in there. Now you mix this together. You add in your matoke. Still we want this to get in there. We want everything to cook nicely. Yes, please try it out and enjoy this Ugandan cuisine, this Ugandan pork recipe, and trust me, you are going to love it. Yes, so at this point I add in a tablespoon of Royco seasoning. I used beef Royco seasoning in this one. Now mix that together, get it in there, and yes, our pork Lusaniya, pork KIKALAYI is ready, and it really tastes nice. Yes guys, so thank you for watching. Please come back for more videos. Ciao.